Hi. So today I am going to discuss one interesting Python programming. And let's start first of all. What is the program and what is the approach to solve that particular program? Okay. So first of all, I am going to off my video and share my screen. I think it's visible now. Okay. First of all, let's see what is the program actually. Here, this is my program. In that program, that interviewer said, create a function that takes a string as input and capitalize a letter if ASCII code is even and returns its lowercase if ASCII code is odd. Okay, so I have to create one function. Here I will do this program using the oops concept. Okay, and I will do that using oops and I'll create one function that takes a string if uh, the ASCII code, the input capitalized, then ASCII code is even. If the lowercase, then ASCII code is odd. Okay, so let's start. First of all, here I'm going to create my class and my class name ascicapital, suppose. Okay, by default initialization this came, so I will use this only. So then I have to initialization. I will initialize that object def init, and then I will pass here input string. Then in next line I will write self dot input a string equal to input string. Then here I will create another method and my method name is capitalize ASCII. कुछ भी. We will use any name in that method name. And then I will pass that self keyword. And then here I am going to create one empty string, and then I will write that for loop condition. I will check for character in, for char in self dot input string, and I here I will create ASCII code. ASCII code is my another variable, and in that ASCII code I will define my ASCII character. For that I have used odd, O-R-D. Okay, and then I will check using that conditional statement. I will check using my conditional statement if ASCII code %2 equal to 0 means if it's even, then raise is my empty string, raise plus equal to char dot upper. If it's even, then I will add that upper case, and if it's not even, then raise plus equal to char dot lower, and then I will also return my empty string and that empty string name is res. Here I will write enter input string. Then here ascii cap. This is another variable, and here will call ascii capital dot dot ascicapital, and I will pass also my input string. And in next step I also create another variable, and this another variable I will call ascii cap. This is my previous variable, as well as my function capitalize ascii. Then I will print that result, and let's run it. And after running, suppose I am considering this string I am considering. See, my desired output will be to be or not to be. Okay, I think it's came already. And let's check this one. What a beautiful morning. Let's check this one. This is my another example. Okay. Let's check it. I think it's also came. My desired output also came. So this is all of the today's video. Be happy. Let's quote and keep on learning, keep on exploring. Bye bye.